Hello from the Bureau. We continue to monitor the tropical low to the northwest of the top end. It's been tracking slowly west-southwest into the Timor Sea, taking the more severe weather away from the Northern Territory. The development of the system has been slow in the last 24 hours though, and that's because winds in this area have been unfavourable. But today it's expected to move further towards the west into an area that's more conducive for cyclogenesis. And the current expectation is that it may develop into Tropical Cyclone Wallace either later tonight or in the early hours of Saturday morning to the north of the Kimberley coast. Now, a warning's been issued now for coastal communities between Columbaroo and Cockatoo Island. Now, there's a potential for gale force winds with gusts up to 100 kilometres per hour to develop about the exposed coast in these regions later tonight or early Saturday if the system was to move a little further south than expected. And then those gales may extend further to the regions between Cockatoo Island and the northern parts of the Dampier Peninsula from Saturday afternoon. The system is expected to develop further across the weekend. At this stage, the most likely path is to the west-southwest, away from the Western Australian mainland. However, this grey shaded area does show a range of possibilities and shows that there remains potential for the system to approach the West Pilbara coast early next week. And the movement of the system will become clearer over the weekend, so it will be best to keep checking the Bureau's website and app for the latest forecasts and warnings. You'll also be able to get updates via our social media channels, and as always, please follow advice from your local emergency services.